The Indian Railways, a symbol of the nation's progress, is undergoing a remarkable transformation. A new railway line is being built between Kharagpur and Howrah. This new line is a major undertaking. It will greatly improve train travel in West Bengal. The existing double-track route is often congested. The third line will add much-needed capacity for both passenger and freight traffic. This is more than just laying down tracks. It's about connecting communities and boosting the economy. This project is a shining example of how infrastructure development can benefit millions. The new line promises to bring prosperity and opportunities to the region. For over a century, the Howrah-Kharagpur railway line has been a vital artery. It connects Kolkata, a bustling metropolis, with its southern districts. The new line will ensure smoother, faster and more efficient movement of people and goods. It's a testament to India's commitment to modernization and progress. Building a new railway line is a complex and challenging task, especially in a densely populated region. The project involves the construction of numerous bridges, tunnels and elevated tracks to navigate the existing infrastructure and geographical features. Modern engineering techniques are employed to ensure the timely and efficient completion of the project. Sophisticated machinery is being used to lay tracks with high precision. Engineers are working tirelessly, overcoming numerous hurdles. They use innovative methods to lay the foundation for the new tracks. Their expertise is evident in the meticulous planning and execution of the project. The construction of this new line is a testament to the skills and dedication of Indian engineers. Their work is not just about creating a railway line, but a symbol of progress and modernity. Thousands of workers are involved in different stages of the project. They contribute to the nation's growth. The new Kharagpur Howrah railway line will be a game-changer for the region. It will reduce travel time between the two cities significantly. Commuters will experience faster and more comfortable journeys. This enhanced connectivity will have a positive impact on businesses, education and healthcare. The increased capacity for freight trains will also boost economic activity. Goods will be transported quickly and efficiently. This will benefit industries, farmers and traders alike. The new line promises a brighter future for the people of West Bengal. The impact of the new line extends beyond just travel time and economic benefits. It symbolizes progress and connectivity, bridging distances and bringing people closer. The new line will open up new opportunities for trade and commerce. It will connect people to new markets and possibilities. As with any large-scale infrastructure project, the construction of the Kharagpur Howrah third line has faced its share of challenges. Land acquisition is a major hurdle in densely populated areas. The project requires close coordination with local communities. Resettlement and rehabilitation of affected families are crucial aspects of the project. The project team is committed to minimizing the impact on the environment. They are planting trees along the rail corridor to mitigate deforestation. Protecting water bodies and wildlife habitats is also a top priority. Sustainable development is at the forefront of this ambitious project. Despite the challenges, the project is moving forward with unwavering determination. Overcoming these hurdles demonstrates the resilience and commitment of the Indian Railways. The Kharagpur Howrah third line project is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and collaboration.